Alright, I'm still at writing chemical equation page 2, but now we are at the bottom half. Okay, for anions, I would like you to take note is there will always be a change of name. When anions are formed. Okay, so for example, oxygen will form oxide, sulfur, sulfide, so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the first thing to take note of. Secondly, I need you to take note of is this. We have a special group over here. Can you please make sure you underline and highlight? These are called my polyatomic group. Why poly? Many atoms, okay? So there are 6 altogether. It's just that the last one is for reference, that's all. But the remaining 5 of them over here, hydroxide, nitrate, ammonium, sulfate, and carbonate. These are the must memorize one. And I'm going to test you. Okay, so I would like to give you an example. Write the chemical formula for sodium carbonate. Okay, once again, what's the bonding? I'm not going to go through the steps. Think about it, and if you have gotten ionic, you are correct. Okay, so how should we go about writing the chemical formula for sodium carbonate? Start off with, write the ions first. Sodium, Na plus, carbonate. You won't be able to find it in the periodic tables, that's why you have to memorize. And here we have it. CO3, 2 minus. What do I have to do next? Check if the charges are balanced. Okay, next up, we will have to write it down and see for ourselves. Okay, are they balanced? One positive, 2 negative. Not quite. What must I do next? I need to increase. I need to increase the positive ion, and here we have it. Two positive and 2 negative. Finally, what will my chemical formula be? Na, there's 2 of them, CO3. That's all. Always remember, no more plus and minus. Okay?